Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome back. It's a lazy Sunday afternoon and we're going to talk about some pork tenderloin today. It is one of my favorite cuts of meat. They're all my favorite cuts. What am I talking about, right? It's very versatile and it can take just about everything that you bring to it. But that's the key. You have got to bring something to this party. Otherwise, it's a very, very bland experience. So I've been working on this recipe for a while. We're going to begin incorporating a lot of the Mediterranean style seasonings and spices. We've got a beautiful roast veg that's going to happen. I did a separate video just on this roasted vegetables with a beautiful balsamic glaze and all of this kind of stuff. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So without further ado, y'all, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started talking about our vegetables here. Any roasting vegetable is going to work for you. Today I'm using potatoes that have been parboiled, so red onion, garlic, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, carrots. We're going to put a little bit of garlic in there as well. Great opportunity to kind of clean out the refrigerator. A lot of these I had and needed to go on. So let's talk dry seasoning for a minute. Thyme, great opportunity to use some Greek seasoning here. Garlic powder, onion powder. I've got 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget the balsamic vinegar here because it's a key component for that vegetable because it's just going to give it everything. It's also a key component for your sauce we might make later, might not, don't know, we'll see. For your fresh, we use thyme, parsley, and rosemary. And of course, the tenderloin, which I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that here in just a moment. Okay, so let's get started on our vegetables. Again, I have an entire video on this, so we'll post that at the end. You can check it out. We're going to drizzle this pretty liberally here with some olive oil. I'd recommend a good quality olive oil here. Time to get that balsamic vinegar all up on these vegetables. It's so delicious, and as it cooks, it it reduces obviously, but it just becomes sweet and delicious, and it just absolutely, I clearly can't say enough about it. Now we're just going to toss all of that deliciousness, get those veggies coated up really nice and good. And we will move on to our pork tenderloin. Alright guys, now what's going to happen here, I've got some of these rosemary leaves and some garlic chopped up. And I'm going to take a small paring knife and I'm going to poke several holes into this thing. I'd say, anywhere from about 8 to 10 on one side of the tenderloin. Get it through, wedge your knife back and forth a little bit to get it opened up. You will, when we go to the next step, you'll see how we can kind of open it up a little bit more. Now you take one of that piece of that sliced garlic and a few of those rosemary leaves, and you are going to bring those together and get that down into that. It's a little bit of work here, but it's definitely worth it because it just melts and absolutely perfumes the meat. And it also, as you'll see in a minute, where we actually put these on top of the vegetables, will help perfume those vegetables as well. So finish on up with this process, and then we got to brown this thing off. Okay guys, time to sear off the tenderloin. So I've got some olive oil and a couple of knobs of butter in here. Now guys, you've got a little room with the fat because it's such a lean piece of meat. So you've got some room here. So I'm gonna, just because why not, and I've got it, I'm gonna drop a couple of pieces of thyme in there. And then we're gonna, ooh, it's popping. We're gonna put our tenderloin on the whole side down. Remember, we cut those holes. Yummy. I'm gonna hit this back side with just a little bit of that Greek seasoning. Pretty good. And we are not cooking this through. We're just gonna try to get some color on it because color equals flavor equals yum. Okay, we've been going a couple of minutes. Like I said, you're not trying to cook all the way through. The oven will take care of that. We're just trying to get some of that. Look at it. Color. Look at that. Ooh. Also, will kind of help seal the holes up as well, because what will happen is that garlic is just going to melt up in there and become quirky sweet. We'll let this go a couple of minutes, and then we're heading to the oven. Alright guys, we've developed some beautiful color on these guys. We're just going to pop them down right onto our vegetables. But kids, let's not be stupid. Let's get some of this delicious pan stuff on down in there too. Right? Mama raised no folk. Okay, we're going to go into a 400-degree oven, about 40 minutes or until an internal temperature of about 145, I guess. See you then. All right, kids, let's check on this tenderloin here and see where we're at. Smoky, smoky, smoky. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Let's check some temp. While I'm doing that, we will poke it tighter. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. 140 exactly. Could not have hit that better. Look at this, kids. Isn't that beautiful? Needs to rest, probably about 10 minutes, and then we'll dig in and carve it up. While the meat is resting, we're just going to give everything this quick, nice stir. All those juices. Which I should really, yes, I should really do a balsamic reduction with this, but it's a lazy Sunday, so I think I'll skip that. Okay, I decided it was just too much damn flavor to waste. So we're gonna do a quick sauce here. This is the pan drippings from the roast and the veg. I'm gonna add a little bit more balsamic to that. Oh, indeed. And then, I don't know, because it does pair nice with pork. Let's go with a little bit of some of my French style Mediterranean mustard in here. This should give us a sweet and a mustard and silky buttery goodness thing happening. So, start to whisk this in a little bit, and we'll let it reduce, see what happens. Okay, so my sauce has come up to a boil, and we're gonna let this reduce down just a little bit. I don't know if it'll thicken or not, and I don't have cornstarch to really do a slurry, and if I was gonna do a roux, then I should have probably have started with that. But I think with the balsamic in it and this mustard, that we'll get pretty good little emulsification happening. And in either damn way, you know, I'm not entertaining. This is all for me, and even if I was entertaining, it probably would be better than anything they would, you know, do. I'm kidding, of course. I've got some great friends who can cook their asses off. Yeah, we're starting to get a little glaze on this. Or scorch, one or the other. Okay, I'm going to call that that. And we'll carve up the pork. Okay, these beauties have rested now for about 10 minutes-ish. And let's see what we got on the inside of these things, right? How tender that is. Good crust on the outside. Beautiful. See that little garlic in there? Isn't that cute? It's going to be so good. Now, typically when you serve something in medallions, for whatever reason, you know, you serve them in threes typically. I think it's just something visual. We human halves with threes. Look at the friends he joined. Absolutely perfect. Potato. Yum yum. Well, let's get some of this beautiful glaze on here. Okay, let's go with just a couple. I'm really just doing a taste here. A little bit of that sauce on there. Let's try a few of our veggies. And let's taste. Shall we, kids? Shall we? Let's see what we got here. Beautiful, tender. Oh, hell yeah. That is so good. That is so amazing, kids. You've got garlicky, you've got rosemary, you've got thyme going on. The balsamic is a great kit. You know, a great hit, good hit to it. Doing the little saucy thing was a damn good idea. Carrot's perfect, still got some bite to it. Potatoes are great, salty just brings it all right on home, y'all. Yay! Alright, kids, click like, please subscribe, come along for the ride. There you have it. Mediterranean style roasted pork tenderloin with my Mediterranean roasted vegetables. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. We'll see you next time, kids. Bye.